Hello, my name is Muhammad Ibadullah Hilmaruf, and I would like to share an experience where I have worked in a team and have to navigating conflicting opinions while completing a project. That's a school project. How to set and establish a classroom and subject according to the students' level. So, firstly, I want to say that there is my conflict. The situation was like that. There was we have to. There is a school that's called Moral Hasanat Moral School. After 5th class, I was a vice principal. I was working in the Moral School, where we have to organize the classrooms and subject for the students and establish a beautiful school within a good environment. That's also the most important. At that time, many people came and also understanding the conflict that were facing that about the establishment of classroom, and we have to discuss the subject which will be suitable for these classes. So firstly, the many people give their opinions about that. So there is a difference opinion, but the other people, as like also me, were in a difference opinion. But we are not fixing a good idea for this environment, for this establishment, a good school. Okay. At last, we have a decide to discuss with educator and the community and their opinion and the other school systems, how they are running, and we have to discuss in a group. Then we call everyone. So what was my response? Instead of pushing of my opinions and ignoring the others, I decide to take a step back and focus on understanding the everyone perspectives, what the people says, and what kind of initiative that we have done. If we done that, it will be help to establish a good and best school for the students and society development. That's the most importance. I make an announcement and I invite the all peoples and discuss with them and set with them and land the so many ideas. There's so many ideas. At last, everyone given a beautiful idea where we discuss and plan last. All at the last, we have decide a good idea. That's also my response. I engaged people. I took an initiatives in organizing the work by dividing the tasks based on each member's strength and setting small deadlines to keep us on the track. There's the most important things on the school group discussion that I have initiated. We organize the project in the way that including the strong theoretical foundation along with the practical examples of other schools and case studies. This way, everyone's ideas were respected and included. That was my response. I invite everyone and discuss with other people. From the experience taught me that conflicts in a team are not necessarily negative. They can actually lead to the other outcomes is if it handled properly. That's the most important. We are handle this program properly. I learned the importance of active listening, patience, and collaboration. Instead of trying to win, trying to get something new ideas, I didn't do that. I collaborate with the people. I know the real world and real problem. Instead of doing my own opinion, leadership is not about. The mostly I realized that the leadership is not about controlling decisions, but it's about the bringing people together, guiding them and discuss with them and grow them towards a common goal. That was the most important. The lessons I learned and the impact in my life about the call everyone's perspective for a common goal. Overall, this was my experience which helped me as a team player and as a leader, as a vice principal, and it continues to influence how I approach grow work today. This is the basic reason that I applying for this Bhumi Fellowship for a real classroom experience for the better leadership as academically, professionally, and to serve my community in the better way. This was the main important thing that I am trying for that. I hope you understand my experience. Thank you.